Hello and welcome to the TigrePup Beauty channel. I'm TigrePup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create frizz-free curls and waves on our Waterwave wig. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like before we begin. As you can see, it's very frizzy. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and wet that hair and make sure it's thoroughly saturated so we can use our products and it'll emulsify thoroughly. So just wetting the hair, I'm going to go in with my serum, my leave-in, and my Curl Max for moisture. I'm doing a demonstration right here using my Curl Max, and I'm making sure I go into the interior of the hair, not just applying it just to the surface. So I'm going to do this throughout the entire head. And then up next, I'm going to take my brush, and I'm going to take that brush and I'm going to try to smooth and clump those hairs together so it can be frizz free. As you can see here is the finished product. And I'm just scrunching the hair to make sure that the ends are curled. And this is what it's looking like while it's still damp or wet. And I'm going to sit underneath the dryer. This took me about an hour and I let it sit like this overnight. The next day I woke up and this is what the hair is looking like. As you can see, it's pretty stiff. And the first thing we're going to do is go ahead on and scrunch that stiffness out. You don't want to brush it through because that's just going to create frizz. Right here I'm just using my serum to add a little shine and a little bit more frizz free definition. So I just put that in, and I'm going to have to take the canvas head off of the stand and kind of like separate the hair a little bit because I didn't want it too fake looking. So here's what the hair is looking like before. As you can see, it's all frizzy and bushy and all over the place. And here is the finished product. As you can see, it's a lot less frizz and a lot more definition in this finished results. Okay, so this completes our video on 6C, how to create frizz-free curls and waves on our Waterwave wig. Please join me in my next video, part 7, flat ironing methods. Thanks for watching.